Hi guys, I'm back. My pan is cooled down. Here are the pizzas. They smell so good, see them? So this is 12 English Muffin Pizzas, or actually pepperoni English Muffin Pizzas. Okay, so that leads us to step 7. Cool for a few minutes and enjoy. All right, let me go ahead and take a bite of this one right here. This one looks good. Tastes good. I know you guys are going to like them. You can make them for your whole family and help out with dinner. So, what I want to do real quick is review making English muffin pizzas. The recipe is 1 package of English muffins, 1 jar of spaghetti sauce, 1 8-ounce bag of shredded cheese. I used mozzarella. You can use any other kind of cheese you would like. And 1 package of pepperoni. The ingredients are English muffins, pepperoni, shredded cheese, spaghetti sauce. The tools you need are spoon, cookie sheet. Remember I said I was going to modify this. I'm going to put down knife, and a napkin or paper towel or something to keep your hands clean. Okay, so we have a knife and a paper towel. I added that. All right. Step 1, you split the English muffins. Split the English muffins and place on a cookie sheet. Okay, and when you split them, that's where you would use the knife. I had a little bit of trouble, but that's okay. Still worked out. Step 2, toast the English muffins in the oven for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. That gives them the nice crunch that I tasted. You know, I felt the crunch in my English muffin pizza right now. It wasn't soggy and soft and mushy. Anyways, it's nice and crunchy, and it's really nice when you toast them. Let them cool, because I don't want anybody to burn their hands when the next step is spooning the spaghetti sauce on each English muffin. That is step 3. Remember, I took the sauce and I put 1 spoonful on each English muffin, and then I spread it around. I don't want anybody burning themselves. That's why you have to let them cool. Then you move on to step 3. Step 4, sprinkle the cheese all over the English muffins. There's plenty of cheese in that bag. It might not seem like it, but there's plenty of cheese. As you can see, all of my English muffins had cheese on it, and there's still leftovers. Okay. Step 5, place 3 pepperoni on each English muffin. 3 pepperonis is plenty. Okay, look, there's not much room for anything else. Step 6, bake at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. This is my oven at 10 minutes. Some ovens might run hotter than mine, some might run cooler. You might have to adjust the temperature, but 10 minutes is a good starting point. Step 7, cool for a few minutes and then enjoy. Okay, I hope you have fun making these English muffins for your family, these English muffin pizzas for your family, and I want you guys to help out. Everybody needs to help around the house. You can't just expect everyone to do things for you. You guys need to help out. That's why I'm showing you how to do these things, so you can help mom and dad, you can help brother and sister, whoever is doing this stuff and whoever cooks the meals. Say, you know what, I know how to do something. Let me make a meal. Okay? So, I think I'm going to put a couple of suggestions and variations of this type of pizza, but I'm going to put it in the notes, and you guys can try different ways to make pizza. It's all basically the same way. Okay? I'll see you guys next time. Bye.